What's up, guys? DJ and Summer, and we're at Castleberry Bridge. This is not a full Eat, Explore, More video. This is just a short video just to show you what's in your backyard if you happen to live in Dahlonega or Dawsonville. This is a very beautiful spot. It's literally right on the highway on Castleberry Bridge Road. So all you have to do is pull off, and there's a little simple trail right here on the side of the road. You get to look at this beautiful cascading river, and it's just a gorgeous sight. Check out this footage.
Alright guys, this was just a short little video to show you what's in your backyard if you're in Dahlonega or Dawsonville. This is off of Castleberry Bridge Road. It's a cute little place to come take a walk by the river.
And the little bit that you saw was only part of the trail. There's another part of the trail, but there was some guys fishing out there and we didn't want to disturb them. But this is a easy little, short little hike. I'm pretty sure you can kayak out here on the river. It's really nice. We promise we're going to have some full form videos coming really soon. We're planning on it. We just had some big life changes. You want to tell them what's going on?
Oh, we're expecting.
Yes, we have a little one on the way, another explorer. It's a girl. Her name is Sasha. So that's another thing we look forward to. So we're still going to plan some videos and do some more easier hikes during this pregnancy. So we're looking forward to making more videos. We're going to be getting home pretty soon and planning out what we're going to do for the rest of the year. So we thank you guys for watching this short video. You have a great day. You're awesome.
Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.